Hi, this is Nanette Hosenfeld with the Great Basin Smoke Dispersion Briefing for Monday, February 10th, 2020. Looking at precipitation over the past 30 days, you can see that conditions have been pretty dry across the southern half of the Great Basin. Not too much precipitation across parts of southern Nevada and central and southern Utah. But looking further north, things are looking a little better. You can see precipitation is closer to normal across the northern part of the Great Basin. There's been quite a bit of snowfall across the higher elevations of the Great Basin over the past 72 hours. You can see some places that have had around a foot and a half of snow over the past 3 days. And looking at snow depth, you can see that it's the higher, more elevated areas that have that snow coverage in place. Satellite this morning shows northerly flow in place across the Great Basin. For today, with that northerly flow in place, we're looking at poor to fair mixing. The best mixing will occur across the southern part of the Great Basin. This better mixing down south is due to some elevated transport winds across parts of southern Nevada and far southwestern Utah. As we move into Tuesday, we see a bit of improvement in the ventilation indices across the southern and central part of the Great Basin, looking at good to excellent mixing across some areas in the south. Looking at that, you can see that those elevated transport winds will spread east on Tuesday. Moving into Wednesday, poor to fair mixing in most areas with some pockets of excellent mixing, again across parts of southern Nevada on Wednesday. And you can see on Wednesday that decrease in ventilation indices is likely tied to decreasing transport winds. The Utah Forecast Clearing Index shows a decreasing trend in mixing through Wednesday. Over the next 3 days, really not much precipitation is expected across the area. As we move into Thursday, a storm begins to move into the Pacific Northwest. We are looking at poor to fair mixing across most areas on Thursday. That changes as we move into Friday, and that storm system makes its way through the area. We're looking at good to excellent mixing across much of the area on Friday. We keep that good mixing in place moving into Saturday. And again on Sunday, most areas looking pretty good with another storm system making its way through the area. In the 4 to 5 day period, we could see some precipitation across the far northwestern parts of the area. Finally, in the 8 to 14 day outlook, the Climate Prediction Center is calling for below normal temperatures across the entire area and below normal precipitation across about the western 2/3 of the area. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our information is on the screen, and you can also find us on Twitter. Thanks.